Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Coming at you with another prank. So, if you want to know what happens, keep on watching.
Okay guys, so you see this Xbox? We're doing a giveaway. I'm just kidding. So we took out the controller out of it, and my brother thinks so there's gonna be a controller in the box. So we give it to him, and when you open it, somewhere there's nothing. So it's
Yeah, so look at this lazy guy. We're gonna go and watch a movie. Let me show you the movie we're watching. No, because we're gonna watch it in Porras' room.
my room.
Yeah. We're watching this movie.
Can I go? Okay.
Let's go to Porras' room. Let's go. What the? I can't see shenanigans. Thanks.
Yay!
What happened?
That was not here when I was here.
What?
That! What's that?
What?
That!
Your messy shit?
No, this! This was not here.
Oh, what was that?
Wait a minute. I knew there was nothing in here.
There's nothing in there?
Nope.
What do you mean?
I knew there was nothing in there because I tasted and there was nothing.
But did you get excited when you saw the box though?
No.
Are you lying?
No.
So if I come to you and be like, here's a control, you're gonna be like,
I'll be happy, but I knew there was nothing in
so
here.
we got you.
Yeah, you got me, but I knew there was nothing in there.
What happened?
There's nothing in
Are
here.
your feelings crushed?
No.
Be honest. Why are you honest?
They're not.
Because you didn't want it?
There's nothing in
But
here.
you didn't want it.
I did want it.
But did you want it or you didn't want it?
I did.
Sorry, your feelings crushed.
No, because I knew there was nothing in here.
No, you didn't. When you seen it, you were like,
Look, it's all dented.
what about that dentin? You didn't see that at first.
Oh, no, but, you know.
So, I'm asking you a question.
I answered it already.
So, are your feelings crushed?
No.
Okay, I was gonna give it to you, but never mind then.
Oh, how rude.
So, are your feelings crushed? Be honest.
I don't even know how that's supposed to mean.
So, if I come to you and be like, here's the thing you're gonna care.
Oh, wow.
Oh! You don't want it though. I won't return it.
What happened?
I thought your feelings weren't crushed. Can you be honest now?
I mean, kind of.
Can you be honest to my camera?
When I opened the box, my smile turned into a frown.
So, were you crushed?
A little bit, but I didn't.
Give me my control back, because you're lying.
How?
You're lying to my fans.
I
So, were your feelings crushed?
I guess so.
That was your birthday present. You're welcome, because I can't get those damn tickets that I want to get. So, I'm like, here's that thing. I'm not going to get no tickets no more.
Well, you said you were not going to get it.
Can you tell the fans that we got you?
They did, though. My eyes feel
Prank!
better. Felicity, you did not want to wear those. That's going to mess up your eyeballs. No, my eyes feel much better in here.
Oh, you look ugly.
Better than yours?
I look cute. Everybody says that we look alike.
Let's see.
I'm cute. Homegirl. Homegirl is, ugly. Alright, let's close out this video, Porras. We're gonna close out this video.
You guys bully me.
Can you tell our team how you feel?
Excited and also for some reason I feel like I don't even know.
Oh, you can't even talk, bro. Are you shocked? You didn't think I was gonna get it?
No.
Are you shocked? You didn't think I was gonna get it?
No.
That's one of the things we get.
That was
Alright guys, so until the next prank, catch you on the flip side.